Hi all, today we're going to discuss about access modifiers in Java. So mainly discuss on the four access modifiers, which is public, private, protected, and package private. So for the demo, let's create couple of packages in Java. So I am in IntelliJ and I'm creating a package called account, and I'm creating another package called savings account. Okay, and also creating a class for the same. So account, so we created an account, and then this would be a base account. So this can be a super class. We can have a savings account extend to this class, so that would be a subclass. So let's create a savings account as well. Okay, so what we can do right now is let's create two variables. One could be balance, and the other one could be no, the one is interest rate here. So it could be interest rate. Okay, so what we have is uh, default, right? So what this does is package private. When you're not giving anything on the public or private, so it automatically this becomes package private modifier. So only the packages present in this particular account package only can access these two uh, variables. For example, let's create a new Java class, and then create a main inside it. Okay, let's create some method. I'm going to print balance. Okay, it's white. Okay, I'm going to print balance. So I'm going to get balance present in this account. So let's create a new object. So account equal to new account, and you can see account dot balance equal to 44. Okay, system dot out dot print account dot balance. So if you run this, so you can say that this is getting access. So okay, we have to run the main. Okay, so right now if you access the same command in the main, it would not work because it's package private. You can see, right? So balance is not public in account dot account, cannot be accessed from outside package. Okay, but inside the package you can able to access this. Okay, so you can get that understanding here. So that is what I want to convey. So this is package private. So if the outside main need to get it, so you have to make it public. So now if you can go to the main, you can see that you can be able to access it. So you can run this, and you can yeah, you can see that balance is 44. So that's what public does. So what public does is you can access it from anywhere. Once you have imported it, you can access it from anywhere. But if you've not initialized anything inside a package, this will become package private. Okay, you cannot instantiate or you cannot use this variable anywhere other than the package inside. So that is what package private does. Public means you can use it anywhere, that's why we call it as public. Okay, so the other one which we have is private. So we always need to make the variables private, because you should not change the variables from any other place other than the designated, because account balance is a very safe feature. So you should not actually do it. So this will automatically becomes you're getting error, like it has private access, so it will not work. You cannot able to initialize this variable outside the uh, class. Okay, so what you need to do right now is we are privatized it, and right now we are going to create another account which is going to extend account. Okay, so it extends account. So what it does is it wants to access the balance. Okay, print balance. We're going to use the same, so you can check over here. So we're going to print it. So you can check that. So balance as private access, even though this savings account is extending from the account and it's a subclass of account, it cannot access the balance. Okay, you cannot access uh, the balance variable, or it cannot modify the balance, because it has set private. So if the subclass have to use this variable, what you have to do is you have to make it protected. Okay, so go back to account and make this protected. So then the subclass will be able to access it. So now you can see the balance variable is able to show in a good way. So that's what protected does. You understand this? So if you want to access balance from subclass, you have to use protected, and if you have to use it anywhere, that's private. If you have to use it within the package, it's package private. So I hope it's clear, and thanks a lot.